Nanoplastics in the Biosphere, From Molecular Impact to Planetary Crisis Report. Authors, ALLATRA International Public Movement, in collaboration with Bolivian Catholic University, San Pablo, and the Creative Society International Project. In recent years, the state of global bee populations has seen a sharp decline. Research suggests that one of the underestimated contributors may be environmental contamination from microplastics and nanoplastics. Studies indicate that bees collect microplastics from the air, water, plants, and soil, then carrying them back to their hives. Bees gather nectar and pollen from flowers, and they collect water from natural sources, all of which already contain microplastic particles. The fine hairs covering bees' bodies act as natural traps for these particles. Plastic particles also accumulate on their legs, particularly in the joints and between segments, as they come into contact with plant surfaces, soil, water, and even the hive itself. Quote, "The honeybee is a very good biological indicator of environmental contamination because it is ubiquitous, covered by hairs that capture contaminants and particles present in the air, sensitive to pollutants, and has great mobility and wide flying range, among others." Unquote. Micro and nanoplastics also enter the bee's body through the cuticle, the outer layer of its exoskeleton. Once inside, plastic particles reach the brain within just 3 days, causing impairments in memory, spatial orientation, and cognitive functions that are critical for foraging and navigation. The impact of microplastics on the brain also reduces the bee's ability to restore memory. This is particularly concerning, as bees navigate using a familiar environmental landmarks. Nanoplastics in the bee brain further impair their ability to remember nectar sources, reduce responsiveness to floral scents, and disrupt their ability to find their way back to the hive. Such cognitive dysfunctions directly decrease pollination efficiency and may destabilize the entire colony. Once inside the bee's body, nanoplastics also cause intestinal damage, weaken the immune system, and increase susceptibility to viral infections, factors that can lead to bee mortality even in the absence of acute plastic toxicity. In addition, plastic fragments accumulate not only in bees themselves, but also in honey, wax, and larvae, creating a closed cycle of plastic contamination within the hive.